How to create a Nintendo account. First, you want to simply open your browser over here. Inside your browser, you want to simply search for the Nintendo website over here. Once you are inside the Nintendo website, what you want to do is tap on the Nintendo website to open it. And once you're inside the website, you'll be able to see an option called login/sign up over here. You can simply tap on it and you want to simply select login if you already have an account. However, if you wish to create your new account, tap on sign up over here. Once you have done so, you'll be able to simply select your birthday over here. And once you have selected your birthday, you want to simply select your birth year over here as well. And once that has been done, you can simply tap on submit over here and you'll be able to simply follow the prompt from here. You'll be able to simply continue with your Google account or with your Apple account over here as well. You can simply tap on Google and you'll be able to simply open your account according to your Google account. However, if you wish to use any kinds of other email address, you can simply fill out your nickname over here, email address over here, and you'll be able to create your password over here as well. Tap on submit after you have submitted all of this information over here, and you'll be able to create your new account on Nintendo. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, do comment down below.